Happy Monday, MAST Family. I'm Solomon.
And I'm Jada.
No, you are not. And we are your student news anchors at MAST on Monday mornings.
This week, our guest anchor is Mr. Sansoro and Mr. Butter.
Remember, all prize winners from school-wide meetings will be picked up right after our announcements. All prize winners must pick up their prize by the end of the day or you will forfeit your winnings. Congratulations to the winners Jose, Shania, John, and Judah for winning MAST Monday morning meeting prizes.
Remember, all you have to do is be on time for first period and sign into the bit.ly/MAST Monday morning meetings link.
All prize winners from school-wide advisory meetings are selected right after our news broadcast.
Winners are picked right after our announcements. All prize winners must pick up the prize by the end of the day so you don't miss out on your winnings.
Birthday shoutouts!
Remember to use the link for birthday shoutouts so we can celebrate you. bit.ly/bday shoutouts.
On May the 4th, we have Erica R's birthday. On May the 10th, we have Amari J's birthday. On May the 10th as well, we have Latoya's birthday. And May the 12th, we have Kellon's birthday. Special shout out to AP Research students who shared their tier research projects at St. John's University. Kyle, Robert, and Chisholm. We are proud of all of you and all research scholars. Special thanks to Mr. Mazzoli and our AP capstone teacher. Congratulations to the winners of the parent survey, Jose Armando, Allen's Christopher, and Israel for winning in the student raffle for parent surveys.
Let's go, Panthers! The annual staff versus student competition will now take place on Friday, May 12th. See Mr. Mazzoli for more information.
Decision Day is when MAST celebrates all seniors in the class of 2023 who will share the college or university that they will attend in the fall of 2023. This will take place on Friday, May 12th, right before our annual Staff vs. Students game.
Special shout out to all of the MAST scholars who participated in the Penn Relays Carnival at the University of Pennsylvania this weekend.
My Sister's Keeper trip, the Power of You Girls Empowerment Conference will take place on Friday, May 5th. See Ms. Stokes for the permission slip to participate.
Momentum for the 10th grade Group B will take place next week on Wednesday and Thursday, May 3rd and May 4th.
Friday, May 20th, MAST wants to wish the scholars in the Young Debaters Club the best of luck for their debate tournament at St. John's University. All participants must make sure that you are on time for press sessions every Thursday at 8:30 a.m. with Mr. Celestin.
On May 11th, MAST will host MS 147 prospective middle school students. Thank you to all of the upperclassmen who signed up to host our middle school visitors. We still need 3 more volunteers, so please see PTY and Ms. Felipe to sign up.
Please be aware that the last day of the second marking period is Monday, May 8th. Make sure you complete all assignments and remember, you got this.
It is a great honor to congratulate my brother Jabari Beadle from MAST's very own My Brother and Sisters Keeper community on his nomination for the inaugural group of Queens South High School's MBK Scholars for the 2023-2024 school year. In the words of my esteemed colleague Miss Malcolm, big up Jabari, big up! When you see him in the class and through the hallways, congratulate him. My brother earned it.
AHA Broadway, be reminded that rehearsal dates have changed and are now Wednesday only from 3:30 p.m. to 5:30 p.m. in the auditorium. Are you ready to feel like the next recording artist? On May 2nd, the Music Production and Videography Club are headed to the Quad Recording Studio in Manhattan. Make sure to turn in permission slips to Miss Middleton by the end of today.
Interested in auditioning to be our school mascot? Sign up using the bit.ly/MAST Mascot Spring 2023 link. Check your Google Classroom for the link. Your first job will be to perform at our annual Staff vs. Students game on May 11th. Good luck. Cinco de Mayo is on its way. The Latinos Unidos Club is celebrating on May 5th at 2 p.m. in room 213.
Safety Day is Monday, May 15th, in which some of our MAST lifeguards and junior lifeguards will present precautionary measures when it comes to water safety. This training program meets on Wednesdays and Thursdays from 3:30 p.m. to 5:30 p.m.
Culinary Club will collaborate with PTA to host the Cuisine Gala event on May 19th, 2023 in room 203 at 2 p.m.
Each plate will be $10. Empowerment Day is Wednesday, May the 24th. Be on the lookout for more information. The theme is The Gems in the Journey.
Due to Memorial Day on May 29th, school will be closed and classes will resume on Tuesday, May 30th, 2023.
Friday, June the 2nd, 2023, the Latinos Unidos Club is going to an excursion to Sabor Latino restaurant. Students must dress semi-formal attire, as well as a minimum of $35 for lunch.
On Wednesday, June 9th, 2023, students will go on an excursion to Sabor Latino restaurant. This excursion is for students in Spanish Period 1 and Spanish Period 3 with Senora Morales.
You can be the next guest anchor in MAST Monday morning announcements. If you are interested in volunteering to be the next guest anchor, sign up using the link bit.ly/guest anchor.
Regents Prep for Chemistry resumes on Saturdays with Miss Algerine from now until the Regents.
In geometry, GeoTutoring is every Tuesday with Miss Ishraf in room 214 at 3:15 p.m.
The Basketball Club meets every weekday, Monday through Friday, from 7:40 a.m. to 8:20 a.m. in the main gym with Mr. G. Remember to check our Instagram page for all of the dates regarding PSAL games.
Solomon back again. I just want to first talk a little bit about how Regents is rapidly approaching, okay? With about 6 weeks, well really actually 5 weeks until the U.S. History Regents and then about 2 more weeks until the other Regents, I really need all of us to really buckle down here in MAST, okay? We got this, we're going to rock the Regents, but we really need to focus. Like the great ancient Greek philosopher Aristotle once said, the roots of education are bitter, but the fruit is sweet. We got this, kiddos. Thank you for watching our MAST Weekly News.
See you next week!